Welcome to LyttonStrong.com. I created these introductory videos to help people better understand what I'm trying to accomplish with the website, and also to help the newcomers to the website find their way around and learn how to use some of the features. So I built LyttonStrong.com for Lytton, BC and the surrounding communities. It's a classified ads and community bulletin site, which also has some community networking features, which will allow you to do things like browse the member directory, add and search for friends, send private and public messages, share website links, photos, and videos on the public wall, things like that. There's lots of other social networking websites out there where you can already do these things, but I thought it would be kind of neat for Lytton and the surrounding communities to have something that is, special and unique to them. And this way, when you go on there and you're posting ads or searching for information or looking for somebody in the community, you have a better chance that you're going to be finding what you're looking for if it's more targeted for the area. So, that's kind of what I was hoping to accomplish here. Kind of create a little miniature community networking hub. It gives everybody just, one more way to share their ideas and communicate with people. So, we'll get started here. Up at the top of the page, you have the main navigation. Log in to post. You do have to have an account if you want to post ads or if you want to communicate with other members in the social network. You also need to have an account in order to view the member directory. If you don't have an account already, you can click on sign up. It's fairly easy to create an account. You just you pick a username, and this is the name that people will use to mention you in posts. They'll put a little @ sign and then your username if they want to give you a shout out or get your attention, kind of like how you do it on some other websites. And then you put in your name or your business name. Now this should actually be your real name or your actual business name, because this will help people find you in the member directory, and it will also help people recognize your business if you're setting up a profile for your business. Your email address will not be publicly visible. This is what the website will use to communicate with you. And if somebody replies to one of your ads, this is the email address where those replies will go to. You have to select which city or town you live in or are from. Right now, registration is only available to this list of communities. That's just to try and keep things a little bit more targeted for now. I may expand into other communities eventually. I haven't. It all depends on what kind of a public response the website gets and how many people want to use it. Here you can pick a password. If you don't want to pick a password, you can use this one that it generated for you, but you probably won't remember it. So, you can pick your own password here. Agree to the privacy policy. This just says that we're not going to share your information with anybody. We're not going to sell it to any telemarketers or email spammers and all that stuff. So you got nothing to worry about there. We don't give your information out to people. So once you create your account, you're going to get an email with a confirmation link that you have to click on to activate your account. Sometimes it can take a few minutes to get this email, so just try to be patient. If you don't get the email within a few minutes, make sure you check your spam folder and stuff like that. Sometimes it ends up in the junk box. So yeah, so for now we'll go back to the main page. Over here, Community Network, once you're logged in, if you click on Community Network, that will bring you to what I call the public wall. And that's basically if other members of the community network post updates on their profile, or they they share links or videos or thoughts or ideas, it will post onto the public wall. So that's that. And then from there, you can choose to reply to what people share. You can post comments. You can add their posts to your favorites, stuff like that. Over here we have browse categories, and this here is just for the classified ads. It's just kind of like a quick jump to menu. So, if you just want to quickly get on and say, oh, I wonder if there's any arts and crafts for sale. Oh, look at this. We'll click on that. Okay, well, there's nothing here. Arts and crafts, wonder if there's anything in Ashcroft. No, that was all regions and there's nothing there. But you see, you can choose your regions. Oh, look, there is something there. I don't know what happened. Website's not perfect. Sometimes there's little glitches, so you have to refresh these search boxes once in a while. But it turns out that we found some feathery earrings. Like you can click on the ad to view it. If you want to contact this person about their ad, you can just click on contact, fill in your name, your email. If you want, you can give them your phone number. You don't have to. Then you can type in the message. You can say, hey, I'd love to buy some of your earrings. Something like that, Click on I'm not a robot and submit. That will send an email to the person. So as you can see, when you post an ad, it's really up to you whether or not you want to share your personal contact information. So we'll go back to the home page. This here is just another quick search form. If you want to search for things, you can choose the region, you can choose the category, and then you can search. Down here is just a few features of the website. A brief note about the community network and features, classified ads, bulletins, stuff like that. This LyttonStrong at a glance. What this is basically a random shuffle of some of the most recent ads that have been posted from all communities and all categories. Same thing, if you want to view one of these ads, you just click on one. You'll be taken to the ad page where you can choose to either contact the person or continue looking at other ads. See more listings. Down here is a little bit of information about the website, explaining about it. Here's some resources and useful links. I would, if you have time, I'd recommend checking some of these out. It's just a little bit more information about the website, why I built the website, some of the pros and good reasons why I think people should use the website, how it works. Here's report abuse. This one here is pretty important. If you ever feel like you're being harassed or made fun of or abused in any kind of a way by anybody who uses this website, please click on report abuse, fill in your name and your email address so I can reply to you, and in the message just give me as much detail as you can about how you feel you were mistreated and which member it was that mistreated you, and I will investigate, because I want everybody to feel comfortable on this website. I don't want some of the things that happen on other social networking websites to happen here. I want everybody to feel comfortable. This is an equal opportunity website for people in the community to share their views, thoughts, ideas, and self-promotions. So I want everybody to feel comfortable doing so. So, let's just try and be nice to each other and get along with each other. Here we have some articles and tips. I just wrote a little blog about the new community networking features, because this ability to add friends and send messages to each other and stuff, that's a fairly new feature that I actually added by request to somebody who visited the website when it was in its earlier stages. So that's basically the run through of the basic layout of the site and how to find your way around. Without signing up for an account, you can search for ads, you can browse ads, you can reply to ads, and you can view these other sections of the website and learn about how it works and how to use it and different things like that. Oh, I forgot to point this out here. These here are community profile pages quickly. I haven't quite finished developing these yet, but I'll show you kind of what I'm planning on doing. For example, if you click on Ashcroft, it'll bring you to this little page here that's like a small community profile. It'll have a little bit of information about the population, maybe the area code. I might include postal codes or something, I'm not sure. But these are kind of like little profile pages for each community. So for example, if a business or an individual in Ashcroft had some kind of a newsletter or event or advertisement that they wanted to share specifically with Ashcroft, they could put it on here and it will show up in the search results as their own little miniature information board. And once I start getting more people posting ads on the website, then I might put a little panel list of the most recent ads in Ashcroft. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but it's there for people. So that's it. That's the basic introduction to the website. I just wanted to show this to people so they can understand the layout a little bit better and get an idea of what I'm trying to do. In the next video that I post, I will be walking you through the creation of an account and how to set up your basic profile so other members in the community can start interacting with you. Anyway, thanks for watching my video, and I'll talk to you soon.